Hi everyone, welcome to my universe, to the massive truth. Wherever you're watching me from around the world, I pray may the good Lord bless and strengthen you. May open that beautiful and gorgeous side of yours to make you see and understand from my own point of view. Today I want to talk about what I see again for social media. Please do bear with me. I will be back. Okay, my brothers and sisters, you're welcome back to my universe. If it's your first time of seeing my video, you're very much welcome. Please do me a favor, subscribe to watch more of my video, hit the bell button to get notification whenever I have opinion to share with my brothers and sisters. To my old subscribers that keep coming back to watch my video, thank you very much. I appreciate your positive energy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for your time. Time is really precious. Thank you for sharing it with me. You get every other thing to do, but you decide to listen and hear what I get to offer. I really do appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, thank you, thank you. With that being said, what I see again for social media, and I want to share with my brothers and sisters. I like to share what I see for social media with my brothers and sisters, to just beg them to please see from my own point of view, to see how we fit say help our country Nigeria together for the now way be so. Maybe if all of us they share our opinion like this, we not go even one can even divide them. All of us go come like try to make them work for good. Now all these people were there on top. Now I don't want to make it good. Not be me and you. Sometimes me and you still join because we know they speak out, because we they feel you not concern me. After all, I want come out. So if you come out, there is 80% chance say these people where they do Nigeria jaga jaga go still there for if you come out go to do a republic. If you come out go Benin Republic, Benin Republic or Biafra Republic, anyone, with all due respect to each and every one of us, there is 80% chance say bad people will still there. So when we see things were not good, as a good citizen, as a positive energy, all of us be, make we speak out so that make those evil people, make those evil spirits we possess our brothers and sisters for depart from them. I beg you to understand. I beg you to see reasons for me. I beg you not to take it personal. I beg you to please don't try to take it to be tribalism thing. Tribalism don't do now. It don't do what they tossa. You na Igbo, you na Bini, you na Yoruba, you na Hausa, you na this, you na that. Waiting cause those quarrel where be all of them come they fight themselves. Me and you don't know. They never born us that time. They never born our papa and our mama that time. They never born our grandpapa that time. A story they pass on to all of us. So make all of us be the generation of change to love ourselves and just make it work for good. I beg you all to please see from my point of view. So I want to talk about this video when I see for social media where my Nigeria Igbo brothers do with respect to Igbo community, with respect to my Igbo brothers and sisters. I know they try. I don't be that person where be tribalism person. They can't they say no Igbo because na Igbo because no this thing will happen. So believe me, they happen for my state too. In fact, maybe the one way even worse past they happen for my state. They fraud themselves for Benin there. Find person where will help you do something, must get your own share inside instead of where go tell you real amount say na 20 naira tell they buy something, you go tell you say na 15 naira. So it's everywhere. More not take out to be tribalism. I beg you all, my brothers where they vex. I beg una, see me as your sister, see me as your person, see me as somebody who really want change. Don't take it personal because tribe not change who we be. Because we they speak different language, not me say me and you know they bleed the same red. You know me say me and you know they face the same problem. You know me say me and you know they suffer the same suffer. So make we leave tribalism aside first. Make we talk facts. So this my brother from Igbo land fraud his own sister because he's wicked, because he's greedy, because he's heartless, because he don't care how poor person like they struggle get money. This one a height of greediness. This one a height of wickedness. This one a why I feel say make the positive energy. Please come out and beg our brothers and sisters to deviate from this thing. Once they not deviate, now this set of people now that they use they corrupt, disrupt our politics. Now they disrupt our land. Now they corrupt and bring back evil spirit to our land. I beg you, my brother, I beg you, my sister, make all of us see something and say something, regardless of where you come from that Nigeria. When you see something not go well for those states, use and to make example, so that make person from Ishekiri see and say it they happen for those states, so that make them not do am, say see what will happen when they do am. Now make me they bring some things out when I see for social media. Not be say because I want put one tribe down. No, because exactly what happen so still they happen for my states. Even worse than this, they happen for my states. It happens everywhere. Bad things happens everywhere. I just hope you see something and say something. I just hope you understand and see from my own point of view. I beg you in the name of anything you believe. So before I deliberate on the issue, let me put the video. Maybe you don't see him, maybe you don't see him, maybe you don't see him, maybe you never still see him, my brother. This word too big. He never to say where I see him, and it has been on here for some days now, for some weeks now. I just they see him now. Please help me share it, so that make your brother, make your sister, make your community group, make your ethnic group see what they go on for the world, so that may they not do and may they not say anything will make law enforcement catch them. They are in deep soup. Their own don't finish. Now I go make all of us the speak out, so that we could help God, so that we help God repair this beautiful garden when He live for all of us to just stay suburban, to just stay enjoy, to just stay day. I hope you understand. So let me hit the video. I will be back to deliberate on it.
Guys, what's your name?
Uche.
Who?
Onye?
Uche. Uche who? Apata? From where?
From Ezago.
From Ezago. What is your name?
Emeka.
Emeka who?
Duru.
From where?
Imo State.
From Imo State. What's your name?
It's a charity.
It's a charity.
Yes.
From where?
From Ochenugu.
Ochenugu, you not here?
Yes.
Okay. What do you do for a living?
I do furniture work.
Be loud.
I do furniture work.
Furniture work. What of you?
Computer operator.
Computer operator. Where do you have your shop?
In Enugu.
Which part of Enugu?
Abapa.
Number what? Which part of Abata?
College Road.
College Road Abapa. Number what?
36.
What is the name of your computer center?
Emeka Link.
Emeka Link. Emi Link. So when I go to Abapa now, I will see Emi Link working, functioning. What brought you into this town?
Want to dupe somebody.
You want to dupe somebody. You want to dupe somebody. So which means you have been duping people now. Tell me truth.
Yes.
How many people have you duped this year?
We normally come once in a while.
Once in a while. How many people have you been to Enugu to do people?
We have never duped anybody in Enugu.
But we have duped where and where?
Is in Onitsha.
You have duped in Onitsha.
What do you say? And Nsukka town.
At Nsukka town. You come, you dupe people, you dupe them money.
Yes.
How do you dupe them? What do you tell them? How do you get the money?
We tell them that we are foreigner.
That we are foreigner.
I'm a Cameroonian, that I came with goods. Yes. That should help me and count money. So
yes.
I'll dash him
some
bag
money
of rice, yes.
From there we dupe that person. Okay, do you know this girl? Come closer.
Yes, I know her.
Where did you know her?
I met her today.
You met her today?
Yes.
Along the road?
Yes, sir.
What did you tell her before she entered your car?
I told her that I'm a foreigner.
You told her that you are a foreigner?
Yes.
And she went into the car?
Yes.
What did you do to her? There's something she said you gave to her. What is that thing?
No, I took her out.
You took her into oath?
Yes.
Why?
With sand.
With the sand?
Yes.
And alligator pepper?
No alligator.
Just only sand. What was your reason of taking her into oath?
So that's what we used to confuse them.
Okay, use it to confuse them.
Yes.
So that they will believe in what you are telling them.
Yes.
Okay, how much did you collect for her?
I didn't collect any money.
You've not collected before you were arrested by the security.
Yes.
What of this man? When did you know him?
I know him in Enugu.
In Enugu?
Yes.
Is he a colleague?
No.
How come you are with him today?
I just tell him to come and let's go and do it. Because my partner.
Okay, you told him your purpose of coming here?
Yes, that's true.
And he decided to follow you?
Yes.
So you have started teaching him the job?
Yes.
So and he agreed to learn the work?
Yes.
He agreed to learn the work?
Yes.
How much did he pay you for you to teach him?
He didn't pay me any money.
You just want to teach him free? My friend, you heard what he said. How many times have you duped somebody with him?
I never tried. This is my first
I don't hear you. Talk like.
This is my first time.
This is your first time. So he told you actually that you want to go and help somebody and decided to join the business.
No, he didn't tell me actually that we're going to do it, but along the line I understood what happened.
Along the line you understood what is happening, and you joined the game.
I didn't join the game. I just
Why were we running when we were pursuing you?
I was not running. That road I applied was
Listen
the
to
the
me.
girl was going to.
We followed you from Obolo to Enugu to Suka. Even when you pick this guy along the road, we're still following you. From Suka back to Ibagwa, to Ihiakboka, to Ihunowere, to Ihekan, to Voko, where you got you arrested.
Just said you met me. I not run there before.
Even when we were pursuing you, you knocked somebody down and ran away.
My car.
My
car. I don't know what happened. My car just flat tire.
Your car is parked here now. We drove it back here. Nothing happened to your car.
He shook my hand.
He took your hand.
I think he saw my tire.
And you hit down somebody when we were running now.
I was trying to apply the brake when I hit. I was controlling the thing.
Okay. And he said what you do in what do you do in living?
Furniture work, woodwork.
Furniture work. Okay. Do you believe this duping of a thing is more lucrative than that furniture work?
No.
You just want to add it as part of your business?
No. Just for the meantime.
Just for the meantime. What of you? That's your computer center. Is it functioning now?
No.
It's no more functioning. When did it stop functioning?
He's not paying me since this year.
He's not paying you. And decided to go into duping.
It's a friend that lured me into it.
A friend, who is that your friend?
He has traveled out.
He has traveled out. Are you sure?
Yes.
He's from where?
He's in Turkey now. He's from Anambra State.
So he made money from duping and traveled to Turkey.
No, he sold their land and traveled.
Sold their land. My sister, do you know these people before?
No.
You don't know them?
Yes.
How come you joined them in their vehicle?
I want to go back for my work, for my place where I work at Ovoko.
Yes.
So I'm from Onchenugu. As I carry my bag, let me do it busy.
Tell me,
As I carry my bag, I come out for the outside road. I enter bike 50 naira to drop me for Okuzu.
Yes.
As I drop for that Okuzu junction where they go Ovoko.
Yes.
It is on vibration.
Yes. Tell me.
As the person dropped me for that junction or Okuzu junction, so I came down, paid the person. I carry my two bag with the one where I carry for bag. I carry am the waka. As I waka this one, the other one they for my front. They repair. I don't know what they do for his car. They open the
bonnet.
Yes, the front of the car like this. This one follow me for back. The time where they cross the road, I don't see anybody. As I cross the road, I don't know this man they follow me for back. So as I waka like this, she can't touch me like this. Hey, are you in this place? I tell her, I don't know. I'm not from this Ibagwa. Here is Ibagwa. I'm not from this Ibagwa. I'm from Enugu. I'm from Enugu. I'm from Onchenugu. So he said he want to do some business. Can I help her? Can I help him? He want to do business and he they lost. Can I help him? As he they talk this thing, I can't get myself.
Again.
I can't get myself.
Because he has touched you.
Yes, because he has touched me. I can't get myself again.
From that place they picked you, where did they take you to?
He took me for one church, but we did not enter the church. He took me for one church. Stop there. Only this one entered that place. Before he enter, he said, "May we take oath.
Yes.
Let me not talk anything where he go do me." I believe because I don't know what I did do. That is why I believe it. He come bring the stand, talk everything, tell me to pour spit for my hand. As I pour spit for my hand, I dey talk. If he talk, I will talk. If he talk, I will talk. I dey talk like that. As I talk finish, he say my open my hand where the spit be. As I open my hand, I pour spit for this left hand. The spit come back, come for my backhand. For my backhand. He said, "My lick it, my carry the one where they for my palm, rubber for my head, my can rubber for my eye." As I did one, he said, "That one tell me my ask him." As he entered the church. The other one tell me my ask him why the reason why I take the oath. As he come back, because this one time he say he's not from here, he's not speaking Igbo, he know the hear Igbo. That's what he tell me, that he wants Igbo person will go help him for the business. So as he come back, I ask him what is the reason of this sand we take. He come to explain for me. For that sand, if I talk what them do me, I will die. If I talk anyhow, I will die. If, as in the oath where them give me, kill Osadebe. He mentioned three people.
Where the oath
where
kill?
The thing where oath.
Yes.
As he mentioned it, I tell him say, may we break the oath. As I tell him, may we break the oath. Before we take the oath, he asked me the amount of money why I give. The amount of money where they for my the amount of money where they for my mother's place, where my mother they keep money, where they, and he asked me everything about money, and I they speak with him. I they tell her, as I they tell him, he say, I tell her may he break the oath. He say he cannot break it unless I go to my mother's place and pick all the money where they for that place. As I pick the money, let me not let my mother know or any my parents know for that place. As I pick the money, as I reach house, because my mom thinks I don't they go the place where they live. So as I search the money, my mother tell me why I come back? Why I come back? I tell her I forget my key. Why I'm with my key?
So you went and collected the money?
Yes.
How much did you collect from your mother's house?
Because he tell me, I no count them. Because if I count them,
you go die.
No, if I count them, now so as in, let me say, if money reach 10,000, my life will spend 10 days.
Hi.
I will die. So he said, I no count any money.
So when you collected the money from your father's house, you did not count it?
I did not count it. To say the truth, I did not count it. Okay. I just carry it, put it for my bag. Then they wait for me for outside.
Okay, you can't enter motor.
Near that second junction, junction. Nadia, then they wait for me. As I enter that car again, as I come back, they enter that car, they drive me. And two of them there for inside the car. They don't turn. They drive me, then they go for that place. As then they go, it's the third other one. May we no go there that place we take we still take the oath. We no go there break it. We go where road day for. As in where road
for junction.
Yes, we go for junction, break it, buy egg and use the money and do it. If you talk finish, we go break the egg for that junction. But if after that, the three of us we go for is it for chapel, I mean for church, and take another oath. I think I say may break this one first. As they go, you come past that Okuzu junction, past them they go like Nsuka. As we reach is it
Obokpa?
It's not Obokpa. We never reach Obokpa.
Before Obokpa, what happened?
Ibagwa. Before the other one say he see he's a brother motorcycle. Let us turn. May we turn. As we they turn, I tell the other one, why they turn? He say he see his brother's motorcycle that place, and his brother ask send him message, and he never go the message. He come the help person.
Oh, they look me here.
So as he they talk that this one say may go may the other one drive the car reach the place where them carry me. Go drive it straight. That is why we enter that Ovoko road. As we stay there, we near police there for the road. Yes. As the police they stop us, this one they say no stop. If you want, just jam anybody we like. No,
who they talk this?
This one, those you there for back. Then tell me to stay for front. This one there for back. So they tell me they tell the may no stop. As this one come much break small. Police come. This one come they speak French because I know they hear French. This one come they speak French. If they speak French, if you speak French, no. That police people come clear road. This one drive the car. Come move the car. As he move the car, he dey rush. This one they tell him if you know how we dey drive, they drive am.
That was where you discover say we dey follow now.
I don't know. Maybe this one don't discover and say they follow me. No, they follow us because as he look back, he said, sister people, those reverend sisters they follow us. May those reverend sisters know whether me and this one they take and they go. So as he drive that thing, we reach Ovoko. Yes. As we reach Ovoko, is it a man and a boy? One drive a motorcycle
when I call knock him down.
This one call hit him. run away. The tire, the motor tire come burst. This one they tell him, may they drive him like that. May they drive him like that. You can't drive him reach a Koboko. As he reach a Koboko, tell him may bend hand for Ubolo road. You can't they bend hand. And as he reach that place where I get us, he tell the other one may stop. As that one stop, now he open the door, run away. He said if they run away, my open the day again, follow him immediately.
Who talks so?
This one.
Mm.
As he opened the door, they run. I they open my own door. I can't they stay. Immediately I they open my own door. People don't rush. Now make me.
That's why you don't know.
Yes.
What did this guy talk Naturu of in a lie? Naturu. Okay.
All right, my brothers and sisters, hope you see the video. Hope you see how wicked some people can be. Frauding your own sister. Not be say you defraud people where they make our life jaga jaga. Not be say you defraud people where get this money where people like this man, this 60 years old man where marry Regina. Not be say now this kind billionaire none of the fraud. Una the fraud people where they struggle, where they suffer, where they sweat up and down to take get money. But this is wickedness now. This is height of wickedness. Make we beg, make all of us deviate from her. Make all of us beg our brothers and sisters. May they stop this greediness. May they stop this I want get everything. We not come this earth to come just look for money. Money is not everything. Money does not give you happiness. When we start to know say money not they give us happiness, then all of us will start to speak out and correct our brothers and sisters with love. Then they will start to maybe just maybe they will start to deviate from some things where they do before. Now that one God send us come this life come do. God send us come this life to save some souls we don't lost. To save some souls we don't carry the way with the flashy things of the world. Now that one God send me and you to come do. Not be say me could come look for money, because money they not bury with any of us. All these flashing cars don't they bury with any of us. When we die that very good day, if they too respect our body, they go give us white cloth where they go cut for market. All this to match what they wear, so they not carry any of them follow us. So I beg you, my brothers and sisters, speak out with love. Correct your brother with love. Correct your sister with love. Tell them to deviate from all these things. Use touch and follow. Take follow person. Go carry money where papa and mama, you don't know whether they go borrow from bank, they go borrow for this what they call a lapo every week. Now they pay, you don't care, yet you talk say our politicians wicked, yet you talk say oh our governor, our president, any of our politicians, our pastor, anyone wicked. When you did that position, when you get that kind of heart, believe me, you will worst past these people. So make the good energy, make the good hearts, make the good people start to speak out, so that make we fit tell God that very day what till we do when we dey for this earth, what till we use our voice for. Your voice is your power, your voice is you, your voice represents you. Anything you do is recorded in the book of life. Most save people where they go astray. I beg you in the name of God, I beg you in the name of anything you believe. These my brothers, they get store, they be businessmen, but they are not satisfied because they are greedy, because they don't teach us for this world what we dey now say now money will come fine. I believe, me personally, like that video when I first do my previous video when I do, I believe say God send us come life, more can save this kind souls, more can save this kind souls. More can save this kind of souls from destroying themselves. When they don't catch them, when it don't read, you can see the real humble them when they come cool. But when the bad spirit they use them, they will tell you say nothing they happen, you don't know anything. Even one, you don't care whether you want to kill somebody. He say make it they run, they go tire burst. They say make it jam anybody. Not be the man on there again, because that man where can they confess, where can they talk, that man not be in can they talk for that motto, because as in they humble. So I don't believe say this humble face what would they see so will fit do that kind of thing. So now those kind so now me believe say God send us on this earth to come save, not be to save people with money, save people with your words. At least this social media they go different people house for real. for real. We dey talk say, oh, I know the agree make people enter our house, oh, I know the agree make bad person enter my house, oh. Bad people they enter your house with the message, with the video, with the things where you dey listen to. They're there for your house already. When you listen to any negative message for your house, for your sitting room, it remains there. It remains there because maybe you might act with it. Maybe you might act with it. When you receive positive energy, the good spirit will flow in your house, and it will make you activate some parts from your brain. It will make you know what is good and what is bad. Not that that person is 100% right, but believe me, you at least you will see 2 out of waiting that person talk. I'll still use this opportunity still to thank this my brother, say they not implicate this girl. If now some boys they go talk say, now one of them after all, they go say now one of them after all, they get nothing to lose. After all, they don't catch them. They go say the get enemy na bad head. I see use opportunity to thank them, say they talk through, say the girl na still their victim. Thank God, still thank them. I pray as their mind they judge them now, as they get the mind to say, as they get the mind not say implicate this girl, not say pull life for the girl head, not they talk say na one of them, say their mind on the soft. I pray when they don't serve their jail, when they don't pay for their crimes, when they don't pay for all the crime what they do, I pray the good spirits touch their hearts to repent and just do the message and do the reason. May God give them wisdom. May God give them reason to do good. May God make them not come up from that their good track again. Make good spirits guide and protect them when they don't pay for their crimes. So because they say they don't, the guy said they don't do, they dupe many people, they come for many years. So if then they use poor against poor, when they dupe from poor, not be so it's supposed to be. We are beg, make we help in any little way we can. I still thank them for not lying on top of this girl. I still thank them for saving the girl, because if to say they talk say she joined them, if to say they talk say she na one of them, they not get what she want talk 2 against 1, what she want talk. You know, girl she can't do rich, she will go prison for what she don't know anything about. So make we beg my brothers and sisters where they for Africa, make we know who we they say we want help. Some people, as this one just be so, they are everywhere. That is why some people know they like to help person. When person they threaten you with all these medicine and so they want to kill you and so that not believe, run come up for there. Run come up for there. May you still use their brain. Tell them so you get brain past them. That is why we need to educate our brothers and sisters back home, especially we were there for abroad, especially we were there for Bodo Ibo. I beg una in the name of God. I beg una in the name of whatever you believe. More talk our people out of this fear of bondage where they put all of us. All of us, we fear there. Through the fear, make we help our brothers and sisters to educate them, to enlighten them, to awaken them, to know what to do and what not to do. When we not waking our people, we will not help our people, we will not tell them, we will not tell them their rights, we will not tell them what is good and what is wrong. Now all these kind of people, they fit they brainwash them. Now all these kind of people, they fit they manipulate them. Now 419s, they fit they dupe our fathers, they fit they dupe our mothers, they fit they dupe our siblings, because they don't know. Because the girl say he put spit for a year, later he can't come for a year. It is possible, say as he do like this, he already put his own spit for his hand. As he say, make the girl open hand, pour your own spit, you hold your hand for a year, and your own spit there under. Magic, look social media, look YouTube, you'll see all the trick there. At the time they do, you go put spit very fast, there. You go hold your hand like this. As you say turn, the girl turn, you go see spit. She go the feel say now the spit where she put for you, now for you. No say the boy just the use them. So I beg you in the name of God, I beg you in the name of anything you believe, let's help in any little way. Waiting they happen for your state, they happen for my state. Waiting they happen for my state, they happen for your state. So let's fish these people out, let's teach these people love, let's talk these people out of their problem, so that God will bless all of us. I hope you understand. I hope you see reasons for me. I hope you don't take it to be tribalism thing. I beg you, for God dictionary there is nothing like You be Igbo, you be Yoruba, you be Shekiri, you be Hausa, you be Canada man, you be America, you be this. No, all of us now equal in the sight of God. That very good. I believe saying one language all of us go to speak. Now there will for no say man, all of us they fuck up for this earth whole day. So let's help ourselves. Let's help the lost souls to bring it back. Now those souls, now God say will help. Now those lost souls, where be saved, they don't cousin, they come humble. Now God want me to talk out of their problem. Now God wants me to save. That is the reason I personally believe, say we were created. God not create us to come find money, because if God create us to come find money, everything we will acquire for this earth, they carry and follow us. We forgot they use until they do shakara for where we they go. So money could come out and for waiting, more come out for our head, my brothers and sisters. Any brother, any sister will come across this my video, not take them personal. I know they try to tell you saying you bad pass. I know they try to tell you saying you wicked pass. I just want you to be happy. I just want you to reason and ask yourself why God creates you. Don't be carried away with all these flashing things where the evil spirits don't do. Make we not carried away with all these flashing things where they distract us from our mission. All of us they mission, all of us they journey, all of us get purpose. What would they exist? What if we just die? Especially my brothers and sisters where they say pata I die. What you want to tell God? What be the purpose? What you do when you dey for this earth? Not just to look for money. When you look for the money, look history, look people where don't get this money. How many they happy? Look rich people. How many they use all these flashy things? They only think of how to save souls. So make we start to the save soul. Even though na buy you wear, it no matter. Even though anything where you put for body, it no matter. What it matter be say you wear and they contented. You wear and they happy. It fits you. That one matter. What people think about what you put for your body, now their problem. They choose to take that one to be their problem. Maybe you just the swag they go. May they carry your problem, join their problem. Your happiness. People choose to make on their problem. Give them for free, not sell them for them. May they carry. Just be happy with yourself. Put anything on. If na chain of 5 cents you see, say you like them, buy and put them for body. Give them swag. Not be those things they give you swag. Now you they give those things swag. Where people will see them for your body, they will wait for buy this thing fine. So let's be happy with ourselves. When we are happy with ourselves, we can be happy with our neighbor. We can be happy with anything we put for our body. I hope you understand. I hope you let your voice out. I hope you change somebody. I hope you save soul. Saving soul, not be to carry and go church. I keep telling people still don't understand, because we have been brainwashed, because we have been misled, because we have been, our teachers don't jaga all the message for us, for real. So please, let's help people in any little way we can. If you still get money to help people who not get food to eat, help. Because not be your calling, not be my calling. My calling not be your brother calling. Your brother calling not be my sister calling. Everybody gets different area to fix this beautiful guiding. I hope you understand. I hope you see reasons for me. I hope you don't just take it personal. I hope you correct people with love. I hope you just let peace reign. I hope we all together join together to fix our land, to fix this beautiful guiding, to fix anything good, to be the change we truly and really want. May we not the verse for nothing. We not the verse for anything, for something we not reach anything. If this message make you verse, my brother, my sister, no, it not be intentional. I don't want to bring out that beast in you, because I hate that beast in you with passion. Please do understand. Let's show love to each other. If it not make sense, if this my video not make sense to you, believe me, your message not be for everybody. Help me share them. At least one person from your list, it will make sense to them. Till I come your way next time. This is Sophie Universe, the massive truth. Love you in the name of love. Love you in the name of whatever you believe. Till the next video, one love.